Okay, this is for everybody that doesn't think that I'm using a ghost pepper. It's coming off of the plant. And I'm going to cut it up for you and put it in the sauce. There it is, getting cut up. Seeds are pretty much just falling out of it. I don't think I would want to eat a slice of this right now. This was chili number 14 that was on the plant. Putting it in the sauce. Maybe I'll take a bite. And then here's 4 ghost chilies that are dried. I was cutting up the chilies and I was thinking, I wonder what one of the seeds would taste like if I was to eat that. So let's find out. Check instant fire. I can't imagine eating a whole one of these. I think I'm gonna go get some milk. Okay, I just ate the seed and it's been about 2 minutes and I made the mistake of licking my lips, and now it feels like I took a red hot poker to my lips. And that's after eating just one seed of Bhut Jolokia ghost chili. And my nose won't stop running, and now I'm starting to get really hot. Almost like it's about 90 degrees in here. Again, I don't think I would recommend eating a whole pepper. I think you may have some acid reflux after this. Anybody that tries this, as far as eating a whole pepper, probably, or just don't breathe in a lot after you ate a ghost chili pepper, or don't lick your lips either. Okay, good luck, if you're gonna need it, if you're trying the ghost chili. Okay, so the sauce has been marinating for about an hour. It's been not marinating, it's been cooking, simmering for about an hour. With about 4 or 5 ghost chilies and numerous other peppers. A lot of other different peppers. It's got green peppers in it, 4 Cayenne Hot Peppers, 6 Caribbean Red, and 5 ghost chilies, and about 4 super chilies. And I'm going to taste the sauce and see how it is. Looks like it's pretty hot. Let's get a piece. Let's get a piece of a ghost chili on here. Yeah, that looks like it'll be pretty hot. Still steaming. Oh. Alright. Here we go. Here's the sauce. I'm gonna get a little bit more here. Oh my gosh. I gotta go get something to drink. Oh. Wow. It just all of a sudden starts to kick in. And it's like, all of a sudden, it's, wow. Now it's even more intense. It just keeps coming in more and more. Oh. Alright, I have to go scrape the back of my throat to get this hot stuff out of me. This is pretty bad. Oh. Oh. Okay. I do not recommend you doing this. This is not a good idea. Okay, now it's even more heat, and it feels like there's a bunch of little tiny little devils jumping on my tongue, stabbing it. Oh, this is so hot. Okay, this is enough. I'm stopping. I'm not eating any more of this. I'm done. I have to go get something to drink. Maybe, as some people say, get some milk and some bread and soak it up. Please. Real men don't do that. I'm just gonna go get a glass of water. But this is really hot. And I would not recommend anybody doing this. Do not eat the ghost chili. It is not to be reckoned with. And if you do, thumbs up. Something to enjoy.